Okay, so here's the basic idea of what I've been saying for a while now. What I've been wording this particular thought that I have, or intuition, or feeling. Um, Consciousness, or who I am, the question, who am I, is a mystery rather than a problem. Because a problem implies that you can one day have a solution to it. Whereas a mystery is not a problem with a solution, but the acting out of an unknowable process that continually outpaces itself and that can never fully know what is going to happen next. Um, and I wanted to just talk about why I don't necessarily want to say that that way of wording what I'm trying to, this intuition I'm trying to express is the only way to word this, and that it is even fully logically coherent. And if we start extrapolating out from this one metaphor that I've put out there, that it will eventually contradict itself. And so it's not an ultimate statement by any means. It's just that this search for understanding, this problem solving, or this questioning and seeking after answers is kind of a fatuous pursuit if we're looking for something that is actually a mystery. Now, science for the sake of utility, technology for the sake of making life easier, I'm all for that. That sounds great. But we've never really had that. We've had a technology that was developed for its own sake. We today adapt our lives to the machines, to what's cheapest to manufacture, to what designs will run companies most efficiently, what cars are easiest for the machines to build. Um, we adapt ourselves to the machines. We are genetically altering our vegetables, our tomatoes, our fruits to be firmer and to be able to be picked while they're still green on the vine so that machines can pick them without squishing them. Um, so we're not in control of our technology right now. Our technology is in control of us. Our language is in control of us. We think that we own our words. When I speak and I make some statement that I say is true, this is what I believe, I think that the way I worded that is somehow mine and that it's unique and special. It's not. It only makes sense because of all the other differences that you know and understand, that other people's opinions within the language that you all share. And the words that you use, we don't realize that all the words that we use have the same meaning. We all know what these words mean. It's just that when we try to define the word, we try to make it our own. And as soon as you try to make it your own, as soon as you try to define it, then you start making all these judgments that you really don't have the answer to. Um, but when we just communicate with one another using words, we can maybe have definitions about trying to define words, but we don't say that this is my definition, and the other person says, well, this is my definition. We can do that all day, but we're not communicating. We need to allow the words to stand for themselves, and for the real point of the conversation to be the expression of some creative act which transforms the people who are communicating, rather than with each of the two separate subjects defending their own turf, their own territory, their own dictionary. That doesn't really lead anywhere. That's not evolutionarily advantageous. That's a dead end. That's extinction.